Hello and welcome back to another Python tutorial. My name's Tom with MasterCode Online. As always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to take a look at the isspace string method. And basically what the isspace string method does is check if there's white space in the string. Alright, it's got to be all white space for it to return true. If there's any other characters involved in this, it will return false. So let's take a quick look at this. Let's go ahead and set a variable to represent a string of white space. Alright, so basically a string, spacebar, and the string. Hit return, and a period is space. And this takes no arguments. Hit return, it's true. Now if we do a is equal to master code online, a dot is space on that, woo, hit return, it's false because it has other characters. It's got to be all white space. If you have any questions, please head over to mastercode.online. Otherwise, see you in the next tutorial.